Hi, this is Tim from Getting Better at Getting Old, and this is my first video, and it's an unboxing of the Fitbit Charge 3. And just a little history on that. Currently I am wearing a Garmin Vivo Fit 3, which is a little rudimentary and doesn't provide all the data that I wish it could. So I researched all the fitness devices out there and went through the Garmin's, the off-brands, and came back to the Fitbit Charge 3. And it seemed like it was a good price, about $117, as opposed to a little bit more expensive Garmin or way less expensive off-brands. So I decided let's do it. Let's buy a Charge 3. And I think on the 8th of July 2019, I did buy the Fitbit Charge 3. And during that time, delivery was a 2-day prime, and it showed up on July 10th, yesterday. But from the 8th to the 10th, I started doing research more into the app side of the house instead of the device side of the house. And I found that since about June 15, 2019, the Fitbit app has pretty much made all Fitbit devices, or many people's Fitbit devices, pretty much useless. It won't sync with the app at all, and thusly it doesn't give you all the information that you really crave for a fitness device. So today, the 11th of July, I decided to call Fitbit and see what they could offer me as far as why I should remain a customer of theirs. And it was interesting. Pretty much they said that there really isn't much of a problem. The update was done a couple days ago, and they said the update was done in mid-June. They said there shouldn't be any problem. And I, being a skeptic of companies that promise you stuff, really all I really want is a device that just works. That's all. I'm not expecting anything else. But I also don't want to open up a device, put it on my wrist, go through the setup, only to find out that all those reviews on Google Play were correct. They were all just the app doesn't work with the device. So I asked them to talk to a supervisor. Obviously that never happens any longer, so they said no, but they offered me, in exchange for opening the package, setting up an account with Fitbit, and trying to sync it, if it ever does sync, they offered me 1 month free premium app service, whatever that includes. I'm sure that also is included. If I decided to go premium, they'd give me a preview of it, probably for a month. I turned them down outright. And here's my unboxing of the Fitbit Charge 3. So here you can see, it came in the mail yesterday. Bought it at Walmart.com, and haven't even opened it. And cut it open and see what's in the box. Yeah, there's a nice bag, and then there's a box that says Fitbit Charge 3. Nice big box. Now, got all that junk out of the way. Now, let's open it up. Nah, psych, I'm taking this back to Walmart, because why would I want something that might work? I think I'll start looking into other brands. Most definitely will not be back with Fitbit after the way they said they really don't care. Wouldn't let me talk to a supervisor. Didn't care about it, even though I have this in my hand, already paid for, in my house. They understood that, and they said, go elsewhere then. So, I'll be taking this back to Walmart in Mountain Home, Idaho on 11 July 2019. That's how Tim is getting better at getting old, making sure that all purchases are worthwhile, and obviously a Fitbit Charge 3 is not worthwhile. Thanks.